This is my kitchen sink. And here's what we're doing today. We're going to clean these up. These were found for the whopping price of $15. And somebody wants them hopefully a little bit more than $15. So I'm going to clean them up and try to do that. We got our Scotch-Brite pad. Got this stainless. We're going to hope we don't need that. Alright. This was my toothbrush this morning. And it's not going to be my toothbrush tonight. So this is some real fancy stuff. Everything in this video is going to be super high-tech stuff you've never seen before. If you're one of the people that like them ASMR or cleaning videos, this should be pretty good for you. Because I think they're going to clean it up nicely. This is, I think, the worst of the hubcaps. It was dinged up here and here. Straightened her out a little bit. Really, I don't have anything that matches that groove in there, and I'm not a talented enough metal worker to really do it. So maybe somebody else can do more, but if I did any more, I think I'd be more harm than good. So I left it alone. I think I better wet the rest of them down too. Let's set this one over here out and let it dry. See what they look like on the back. Pretty sharp, if I do say so myself.